Tired of blurry prints? Try this 218A/218X toner that works perfectly with HP printers. Print 10 pages and half come out faded? Don't let low-quality prints ruin your image. It's time to stop struggling. Still getting blurry prints even though the printer says there's ink? OEM toner too expensive? Cheap refills keep failing or don't get recognized. You're not alone, and there's a real solution. Introducing the 218A/218X Compatible Toner Cartridge 4-pack. Fully compatible with HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301dw, 4201dw, 4301dw, 4201dn, and many more. Sharp black text and vivid color. High yield, up to 3,000 plus pages with 218X. No chip errors. Plug in and print. Save up to 50% compared to original toner. Perfect for business documents, schoolwork, or full-color marketing prints. Thousands of users have made the switch to 218A toner for reliable